Little preview of the finished product. If you're watching this video and you're thinking, man, that guy's windrows are kind of thin, you can make the difference. Hit that like button, subscribe. Hope you enjoy. All right, here's my rake. It is a wheel rake. It uses these wheels here to gather the hay and put it into a windrow. A windrow is what we're gonna go through, pick up and bale. So there's four wheels on each side and one in the center. The center one just kicks the hay off the ground and then it kicks it back in order to get all the hay fluffed up and moved so the baler is able to pick it up a little bit better. Right now it's in its folded state. This is how you'd bring it down the road. When I get to the field, I'll show you how it unfolds. Well, the dew is lifted and the rake is ready to go. I was gonna say the advantages of a wheel rake is that it's a little more gentle on the hay than if you have one of those 5-bar style rakes. This is a little bit more gentle. Now this is a V rake, so it takes 2 rows of the cutter and combines it into one windrow. That's great for thinner fields like this and the other one I did. If you're on a very thick field, it might not be the best thing. For round baling, it's not a big deal, but for some square balers don't like to pick up that much hay at once, so you have to see exactly what works best for you. All right, here in the field, now what we're gonna do is unfold the rake. Or not. Another fail video. One of the hoses came unhooked. We're gonna try this again. See if I can be a little more successful this time. First time that one hose came unhooked, maybe didn't hook it up all the way the first time. So let's try this again. Unfolding the rake. That went better. Now let's start moving. Start out in the center of the field, doing the rows across that go straight across the field, and then I go around and I do the ends. So I don't even bother. I can raise it and lower it at the ends of the field. I don't generally even bother because what happens is it all gets cleaned up when I go and do the outer rows of the field. It just saves me some time. I just usually fly through. I'm going kind of slow right now because just so I can record. I'm gonna shut the camera off and I'm gonna speed things up here so I can get her done. That's running at full speed there. Alright, now I finished the center, and now what I'm doing is going around doing the outer laps. I start out on the outside of the field and I work my way in towards the center that I already raked. hit that like button, subscribe. Hope you enjoy.